Okay, I'm good. He's sniffing. He's trying to get that thing open.
There are 3 treats in there.
You got one of them.
I got 2.
Oh, there, you put 2 in one hole?
No,
Oh.
I put 1 in each.
You gotta get the other one, buddy. He's trying so hard. He picked it up and fell out. And now he opened it up. You done? He's thinking there's something underneath it.
There isn't. There were 3 treats.
Oh, that sounded like he broke it.
He didn't.
Oh.
He just opened it.
Oh.
He's sniffing. Out. They're all gone.